Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So for this video, let's talk about how to access live chat in Epic Games. This is going to be Google. Before I get started, if you're wondering if you can access it via the launcher, so the answer to that one is unfortunately, it's basically the same process. If you click on your profile and look for the word account, it will redirect you to the same website I'm going right now. Well anyway, once you're in Google, type in Epic Games. Now click on the first results, and this is going to be how it should look like. Now once you're in here, click on support on the upper left corner, like so, and then click this one because sometimes it doesn't show all the way down. So click on show all tools, and look for your support requests. Now once you're in there, basically this is how it should look like. So fill everything up for this one, select a platform. If you're using an Android, Mac, iOS, PC, I'm gonna go for PC for this one. The product, of course, select the game that you're playing. For example, I'm gonna click on Fortnite. Contact reason for this one is I'm gonna click for Epic account, but choose one that perfectly fits your situations. I'm gonna click on Epic account for that one and type here what you can and what you want to say to them. So type in please connect me to a live agent. Basically, that's how you do it.